Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Crab Black here, back with another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own custom thumbnails using picsart. So yeah, so you need to download this app called picsart right here, and yeah, so just press the plus button, then for the background, just go to all these. All right, so then for the background, if you want so say if you wanted this for a background. So if you want this for a background, just click on tools, then press crop. Then that's when you will go to a YouTube, press the YouTube button, then press the check. That's when you wanna go to tools again. No, not tools, effects. Just go to effects and go on FX. Press on HDR so it'll look compatible. Blur. Then press blur. Then click on it again. Put it at 28. 28. Press that. Then what you need to do, just go on add a photo. Then what you need to do, add a photo. Just like click on one of these. Press add. At the top, just put it here. Then you could just do how. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. Then yeah, just need to do that. Add a color. I'm gonna put this one. And yep. Then it's done now. All you do is press the right arrow and save it. And put it on gallery. Then press done. And here's how you trace the picture, so you can do it. Alright, so what you need to do, just go into creator session or whatever you want to put on the thumbnails. Just go in creator session. Yeah, and I'll see you guys when it's finished downloading. Alright, so what you want to do, just go to mail and go to look, suit. Now say if you wanted this one or this. Alright, so say if you wanted this one, all you need to do is take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. And then go back to picsart so you could trace it. Just go to picsart. And then I'm gonna wait for it. Waiting for it, just waiting. Alright. Go back to it again. Alright, so if you do press the plus button already, again, then what you want to do is just click on the thingy, the photo that you want to do that. Then you want to press cut out, and then you just just trace the one that you want, just like that. It's not really that big, but yeah, just do that. I'm just gonna do it again, so you can trace it doing that one. Just press save. Then you press that. And there you have it, just like that. And yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I'll see you guys later. Peace.